Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but a lot's been going on and I really haven't had the time to film a video, edit it and all that. But last week I got sent out this amazing wig from MiniHouse, so I thought what better reason to film a video than show you guys how I'm going to color this wig, since that's something I haven't done on my channel before. And I've already pre-toned the wig. It was a platinum blonde. I toned it to more of a silvery color so it can work better with my concept, and I gave it a haircut. But this was 18-inch front lace human hair that I'm gonna color now, and it's gonna be very different than what it is now. This is a rough sketch of my color concept, and the idea is to give it a dark, almost black kind of root, then a rainbow going all around, kind of like a shine line, then back to the black, fading to like silvery color, and then at the bottom I want to do this double gradient where it goes from dark to silver to light to silver to dark again. I think it sounds more complicated than it is, or maybe I just don't know how to explain it, but keep watching and you'll see how she goes from blonde to this rainbow goodness. hi there. So this is the final product. As you can see, it came out very similar to my sketch. I personally am very happy with it. And just a disclaimer, this took me 6 hours start to finish, and keep in mind the fact that I'm a professional and I've also done this before. So if you don't want to do this all together, you don't have to. Since we're using fashion color, you can do a section at a time. You can do section 1, 2, and then go back to the third section. You don't have to do it all at once. I wanted to because I was just too eager to do it, and I really wanted to do this kind of look for a while. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to give it a beachy loose wave with a 1-inch wand. I would use 370 to 380 degree, because over 400 you start burning the fashion color, so you shouldn't use high temperatures when it comes to fashion colors. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the result, and if you want to see the final styling, keep watching.